Alright, Kymm, here we have your 150, I always forget what this is, third or fourth, 154th scale. That's terrible. I've done like 100 of these. Anyway, 154 scale diecast school bus model that you ordered from me, and you wanted lights added, so it added an extra day to the build. Anyway, it should have added a lot longer, but I want to get it to you. I'm sure it's a Christmas gift. So this video will remain private until after Christmas. This 54 scale, again, it's about 8 inches long. Like I said, all metal. Doors do open on the front. I never can get the second one open, but it does open. Anyway, still rolls just like it should. Battery's located underneath, so it's easy to change. All the switches are located in the rear underneath the bus. You'll see they're marked red lights, yellow lights, one in the middle where the spare tire is for the headlights and tail lights. All the lights will work all together or independently of each other, so however you want to run them. Go ahead and turn the main power or the headlights and tail lights on. See those there. Alright. Turn those back off. Let's hit the yellows. These are true alternating lights. Little circuit board I use works these really well. And again, I mentioned you can have the headlights on as well. Headlights, taillights. And turn those off. Hit the reds. And same setup. True wig-wag flashers. And not to just do it again, but there you go. You can use your headlights and taillights as well. With everything. And if, like I say, if you get crazy, if it's party time in Washington, there you go. You can run all of them at the same time. There you have it. Appreciate the the add-ons for the lighting. And like I said, I will get this shipped out tomorrow. I don't know, Buckley, Washington. I don't know how populated that is. It may be a 2-3 day shipping for priority mail. You still should have it by the weekend, so shouldn't be an issue. I appreciate it again, and thank you very much. Have a good weekend, or have a good week.